Yo, what up, family man? It's your boy Chad Plug, man. So right now, to be honest, right now I'm so far away. Right now, I'm actually at the farm. And I've been so busy here lately. You know what I'm saying? Like I haven't really had time to do a couple of things properly. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I have been slacking a bit in Chat Plug in a few things. I haven't. For example, last week I didn't post anything on the Chat Plug channel, or basically anything about Chat Plug. I was only active on the paid channel. You know what I'm saying? It you know that busyness didn't give me the time to focus on like everything that I got. But don't worry, you know what I'm saying? Um, I'm I'm gonna be back in a few days. You know what I'm saying? Things are gonna go get back to normal. But I'm still try and do what I can do. Right now, I'm in the car, you know what I'm saying? Because it's the only place outside that's super cold, you know what I'm saying? Right here, uh, right in here, it's a bit warm and everything, so I can do my things a bit better, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, guys, I just wanted to, apologize for the silence, it wasn't cool. I mean, it wasn't cool to just disappear from you guys without saying anything, you know what I'm saying? And I really just wanna apologize, from the bottom of my heart, man. Apply is sorry, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, apart from that, man, like the video, subscribe, man. Let's go up, man. Road to 1,000 subscribers, man. Road to a K subscribers, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right. Anyway, so back at uh we look back at 2 weeks ago when I made the video. I had anticipated that I had anticipated that this this analysis will come down, which it did, and go up until 0.618, but it didn't do that for the past 2 weeks, but rather it went like 60% towards my target, then it fell, and then it played around before it hit stop loss. So that was a not so good trade. But overall, though, once you're you know once you're you know once you're oh sorry once your positions go up a certain amount of pips, you have to move your stop loss to entry to try and save your account. Risk management, also trade management. But yeah, we're gonna get to Euro USD. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You also, the internet is not it's not so good here, man. I'm just trying to finesse my way. Yeah, yeah. Euro USD. There we go. I thought we were gonna retrace, which we did. Then the fall. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we did fall though, but only up until the 0.5 fib. We didn't go to my extended target of 0.618. But it looks like it from okay. Anyway, I will analyze that on the next video. Excuse me. Yeah, super cold here. All right, but yeah, 60% towards the target, and then direction shift. So it is what it is. Uh, all right, all right, all right. I remember US USDJPY. I did it on the daily chart. It was around here, and it's going towards the target. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not really that that stressed about it because we are headed to 114. But anyway, we'll talk about that. So, but yeah, anyway, that's the analysis from 2 weeks ago, and it's going towards the target. Let's check out gold. There we go. Gold I did on the 4 hour. All right. So there you go, right? So I mean, I'm just out here, doing me. I thought gold was gonna come down to the 0.618 region, which is around 1181, but unfortunately it turned at 1187. It was from 1201. So we're going there though. It's just that on almost all the trades, 50%, 60% was the target. Things shifted, but it is what it is, right? You know what I'm saying? Yo, what up, family? It's your boy, man, Chap Plug. We back. Now it's time to look into the future, trying to see what we can, expect to see. So, one thing I've realized is, while looking at this chart, this area right here, let me just put a horizontal line, this area right here is a nice strong support slash resistance. You know what I'm saying? Price is always failing to price is always failing to break below it or and close below it, on the weekly chart. So maybe this could just be a retest followed by a long bullish momentum followed on the weekly, right? So let's break it down to the daily, see what we can see. And if you look at how Friday closed with an engulfing candle. An engulfing candle could could indicate uh could indicate bullish movement. But look at this. But I believe that it 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 won't come that easy. It won't come that easy. And from the looks of things, let me just try and see what I can share. I'm saying, okay. So from the looks of things, this could also be like a strong, okay, not a strong, but this area, because if you look at just if you look at just this area right here, what happened? Price came to support, push back up, right? But it made a lower, but it made a lower high right here, right? No, actually, sorry about, yeah, it made a lower high right here actually, and then it couldn't make a lower low. You see, couldn't make a lower low. It made the same low, or should I say, it bounced around the same support again here. So we just need to see if it breaks out of this counter trend line, then we can see bullish movement up until here, right? Only if it breaks up outside of the counter trend line, right? But if it makes another lower high right here, then we're gonna break coming down right somewhere around here, because now this would be a lower high. This would be like a descending triangle, because if I remove this, right, look at it. First push down, lower high, first push down, lower high, lower low, or even just a lower low retest and a lower low. You see what I'm saying? So let me just put on the 4 hour just so I could show you the different types of of scenarios that can happen right here. Okay, let me get this guy. So what's gonna happen right here is this. Uh, price price may come back down here before actually at, attempting another time before we fall. right? And then if there is a break outside this counter trend line, we just need a break outside this counter trend line, then what can happen is this. It may break, right? It may also come back, retest that, and then we may shoot up to around somewhere here, back to the same high. But only after we break. But you know what I'm saying? So you can only wait for the break for this one. Let me just help you guys out. Oh wow, wow. It's starting now. You see what I'm saying? But yeah, I'll type this when I do the setup. But for now, let's just leave it like this. Okay, so guys, those are my two options about the dollar index. You see, it could retest, it could fall down back to support before trying to retest it and fall. See what I'm saying? Also, if this you see, so now if it falls down, you could also think that okay, then which means that it's showing us that it's making a lower high, which could indicate that we may actually break the support. So now if we break the support, we all know we're gonna retest and continue falling. It's simple. But another option is if we break this counter trend line, we're gonna retest maybe even somewhere around here before we shoot back up. You see what I'm saying? So we have two options. We just need to wait to see which one plays out. We have Euro USD. And if I look at this, and if I look at this area here, if I look at this area here, this area here, it's a it's a nice support, a nice resistance. You know what I'm saying? It's actually a nice area. That's what I'm saying about the area. And if you look at last week, this is a this is a nice bullish engulfing candle, but it's rejecting at the top here. So we just need to see how the dailies and the weeklies are of I mean how the dailies and the 4-hour candles are looking before we can actually make a decision based on it. But this is how it's looking. So let's see. Hmm. You guys have a look at this. You know, um, price trade here. If you look at those wicks, price trade couldn't break. Price tried to make a high, couldn't. Price tried, couldn't. It's a price trade. So if I'm wondering if I could take this trend line, isn't there a trend line I can use? Let me just look at these nicely. Yes. Maybe if I can just use. Yeah, I'm just trying to see which trend line is really. Yeah. So look at that. Like this was the highest point. You see, downtrend made a lower high, downtrend made a lower high, downtrend made a lower high. Price is still failing to break this downtrend. Only when price breaks this downtrend, we can now start thinking of buys, or should I say, a bullish a bullish momentum. That will only lead me to now dissecting the 4-hour chart. Because also let me just wait for it to load. This here looks like a double top. But yeah, I hope data's not down. Why is it loading so slow? Okay. Yo, yo. Nigga, the hell? Some slow items. Okay. Oh my god. Yeah. So there we go, guys. So yeah, if we are to put, to dissect this chart, let me just do this. Let me just put this. Yeah, I'll just explain in a bit. I'll just ta 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 ta. Yep. Double top, neckline, counter trend line. This may just push up a bit before falling back down to retest that area for continued movement to the downside. Price is still going down, but I mean it's always good to go in pieces. So I'd say price Euro USD will fall maybe up until 1.14512, I think. But you know what I'm saying? We all also again we need to see if it will break here. You see, if it doesn't break here, then it may continue to go up there, and then we will talk about that option, or should I say, I will update. I'll give you guys a setup if I feel like this setup isn't validated. But for now, this is my bias on Euro USD. So yeah, we jump on to to USD JPY, and you know, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Remember, we yeah, we used to have this retest followed by a way up. I remember my analysis was like somewhere up there, but we will see. Let's see, go to get it to the daily, So. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, there we go. So for this one, okay, all right. So I think that target there, 114, guys, 114 USD JPY, 114. That's the target. That's the target. Of course, maybe for now, what may happen is price may come back, but still going up 114. It may hit that region. Yeah, it may hit that region, but and then come back and continue to go up. So yeah, that's my UJ. That's my UJ. We back. We back. Hey, this is gold. Let's see what gold has in store for us, man. Okay. All right. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Interesting. I wanna just see, in a broader perspective. Just wanna see how how the daily candle is looking like on gold, you know. It's looking a bit promising, I think. If only this internet, you know, I'm trying to prolong the choking, you know, so it could load, but this internet beats me. Like, I don't know what the hell is wrong with it. But okay. All right. All right. All right. So, so if you look really clearly, we have let me just do a very strong level right here, right? And then that looks like a double top. You know what I'm saying? Double top followed by something like this. So, guys, this looks like a nice bearish candle followed by an even nicer one, guys. And if we break it down to the 4 hour, let me break it down to the 4 hour, show you guys what I'm seeing. Show you, because I'm seeing rejection right here, you know, and rejection right here. And if you look at that price, uh, price, price is reacting around my trend line. So it's simple, man. 1170 price. That's where that's where we are gonna head to, but only after we break the trend line. If we don't break the trend line, guys, we are shooting up to I have no idea, but this is what I see gold doing in the next couple of days. Shooting down. Shooting that's what it does best. That's what it does best. So we are gonna cut through to the news. Okay, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh man, how slow is this internet, guys? Oh, come on, man. Oh my God, it can't load a day. Tomorrow we got JPY bank holiday. Not bad, not bad, not bad. And then Tuesday what we got? Ooh. AUD monetary policy meeting, and then Draghi will be speaking for the euro. For the euro users, Wednesday we have JPY monetary policy statement and a BOJ press conference. Okay, CPI for GBP. Draghi was speaking, and crude oil inventories. Okay, all right, all right. Okay. Uh, Thursday we have GDP for NZD. Okay, GDP for NZD. You know how it be, yeah. And then CHF, yeah, monetary policy assessment, and GBP retail sales. Okay. Then Friday we got CPI for the Canadian dollar. Okay, guys, family, you know what I'm saying? It's Chapler, man. I'll just look for good internet to try and upload this. It won't take forever, but just get it.